Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna create this look. This is like I would say a soft look, which is a natural but not so natural makeup tutorial. So I have also not applied many products, so you can finish this look in 20 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's just begin. So I've already applied moisturizer, so I'm gonna now start with my priming spray. This one is from Urban Decay. This is Quick Fix spray, so you can use it for priming or you can use it as a refresher throughout your day. I just use it as a primer. This, and I'm gonna apply mainly in my T-zone. Fill out your pores and it's gonna give you nice finish, so your foundation can sit on your primer nicely. I'm going to use this color corrector from Aucoin. This is in the shade SX11, and you have already seen me talking about this in my previous video. So it looks like this, and I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna cover the hyperpigmentations and dark spots wherever I have them. Little bit around my dark circles, little bit around my mouth. You can use a big foundation brush, or if you want you can use beauty blender as well. So I'm almost done with the spreading, and today I'm gonna use my new favorite, that is this Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. It is in the shade Gingerbread, which is 430N. So if you can see, I'm just gonna dot it over my face like this. And as I told earlier, you just have to press the product inside your skin. Do not use it like this, so you end up moving your color corrector. Press the product nicely. So if you use color corrector, it will give you full coverage, and your foundation, which is already a full coverage, will become the fuller coverage if that makes sense. So I'm gonna apply this concealer a little bit because I have already applied color corrector, so I don't need more coverage in here, but I want it to highlight. So I'm gonna do cream contouring today. So I'm gonna contour my nose like this, and I'm also gonna contour my face. I'm just gonna blend it all together. So make sure you first blend the concealer because it has the lighter shade. You don't want to first blend the contour and mix it with concealer. So make sure you first blend your concealer very well. Very light. I'm gonna use this brush from Iconic London to blend in my contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of this powder here. This one is from Mercier, and set my makeup. Setting up a makeup is very important stage, because if you don't set your foundation with powder, it's gonna break out after a few hours. I mean, it really depends on the foundation, how it is. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do it off the camera because it takes a lot of time, and you have already seen me doing eyebrows, so I'm just gonna skip that step here. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. Jaclyn Hill eye palette. This looks like this, and it has like a lot of shades, lot of shades. $1 you almost get all of the possible shades, I would say. Color here, I'm gonna use it as a base, and then I'm gonna make it a little more brownish using this color here, and then I'm gonna use the blackest black color to smoke out this look. A little bit of this black eyeshadow in here. Blend your eyes, always blend your eyeshadows with your eyes open like this, so you can actually see how it's gonna look like at the end. Alright, so I'm done with my eye makeup and I'm gonna set it with nice eyeliner. So I'm gonna do a nice wingy eyeliner today. For wingy eyeliner, my tip would be, if you have deep set eyes, like your eyes are inside your face, you know, if you can see like this from this angle, if your eyes are inside your face, you want to start your wing eyeliner from outside, right? If your eyes are like a normal on your face, then you can start from anywhere you want. So I'm done with my liner. It looks like this. And then I'm gonna underline my eyes with this pencil from Marc Jacobs. So my eyes are done. I'm gonna take this pointy brush and I'm gonna smoke out my waterline. So I'm just gonna use my Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I'm done with my eye makeup and now only thing is remaining, that is bronzer, highlighter and blush. So now I'm first gonna use the Hoola bronzer, which I use it actually as a contour, as a powder contour, but you can also use it as a bronzer. I just use it to darken my contour, which I have already done, and I also use it to mark my face. Got this from Estee Lauder. This looks like this. Push it upwards again. So today I'm gonna use this simple blush from NARS. This one is in shade Luster or Luster. And this looks like this. It has a little bit shimmer in it, but it is very subtle, so it's not gonna shine, but it's gonna give you nice glowy blushy look, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna apply it on apple of my cheeks. And just gonna take it a little bit up. Here's my final step. I'm gonna use this glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one looks like this. It has 4 colors. So today I'm gonna go with this color to highlight my nose, and I'm gonna mix these 2 colors, highlight my cheekbones, and I'm gonna use this color for my nose. So first I'm gonna take this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm gonna mix these 2 colors and gonna apply over my cheeks like this. I hope you can see this. This is beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna apply it a little bit here. And then I'm gonna take a fan brush, which looks like this, and I'm gonna take this shade here for my nose. Cupid's bow, chin, a little bit of forehead, and nose bridge. So I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm gonna spray the Tarte Voluminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm gonna spray this product today to complement with my black blouse. I'm gonna use this color from Laura Mercier. This one is in shade Fatale, if you can see. So this is my complete look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please do not forget